Welcome back. We're talking about the IKEA art event for 2018. This is the last segment of the IKEA art event for 2018 that we're doing. Remember, if you've been watching other videos, you'll see that we are spending $1,600 on art this year, and this was $181 of that art collection, and we got 6 pieces total. So we are down to $1,419 left in our budget for art this year. But our sculptural goal this year was 3 to 4 pieces, and we have met that for the year. So we have met the goal for sculpture for the year, but we're going to keep going for different pieces of sculpture because these are so great, and I'm going to keep pushing for the different pieces. Now what we're going to do right now is we're going to talk about the different boxes that they came in. This one we're going to be talking about Junko, Course, and James Jarvis. So the Junko box is right here. Now if we can see the eye and her signature flower right here on the box. You also see her name and her signature. So all of these boxes are these type of like shoebox type boxes, and then here is the Junko sculpture itself. Now right here I'm going to have a video of it spinning so that you can see what it looks like from all the way around, because I feel like these are a little hard to photograph. And then here it is next to a dollar bill so you can get full scale. But if you look at it, you can also see right here that these are stickers. The eyes are stickers. So in some of the other pieces, the eyes and different parts of it are sandblasted to give a frosted effect, but this one is the only one that they use stickers or an applique process. So I'm really interested in a few years to see how that holds up. I'm hoping it holds up well. And then here is the James Jarvis. The thing yeah, this is cool. Again, here it is spinning. Like, the thing I like about this one is like the way you put it gives depth to either the fingers or the thumb. Like, it's really interesting. I feel like this one, there's no wrong way to place it, but it's really fun. Again, here it is spinning, and then here it is with the dollar bill, so you can see scale. But yeah, they're really fun and interesting. And then here's the last one. Now this one's the most excited about. Like when I got home, I opened 4 of the 6. You'll see that I did not buy 2 of them because I didn't like 2 of them. I didn't feel like they were good representations of the artist's work, and I would rather have good representations of their work than just having their work. I will say though, the jellyfish looking one is a lot more impressive in person than it is in photos, but it still wasn't cool enough it wasn't to my taste, I should say. Like that, I was just like, ooh, I'm gonna scoop this up. So this is the coarse one. Remember, the coarse one's the fox. So again, here is his eyes and nose, and then here's how it comes out of the box. So, and then there are both of their signatures. Okay, and then here again is the paper. Super interesting and cool. And then here is our little fox. Now this is something that I did not realize about this. As you see it spinning, flat back, it's got a flat back. So the Joe Landfetter rabbit also has a flat back, and I think that's how they did the color on these. And this one has, like, the Junko has the applique for the eyes. This one has the frosted tail, the frosted eyes that are done here. And as you've seen it spinning here, and then here it is to size, to $1, so you can see the size difference. These are super well done. I really appreciate that these were made. These make me very happy. I'm going to place these around my house. I'm not going to put them all in the same spot because I think that will look odd, but I think these would look good in different places around my house. Anyway, thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Below is a link to IKEA and my personal Instagram, and then don't forget to hit the bell above so you can get reminders when we have new videos. Thank you very much for watching.